Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extract text or words from any image file without using any third-party software in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here we are not going to use any third-party software, so we're gonna use the inbuilt software. So for this, let me just open the File Explorer just to give you an example, and after that just open the snipping tool and click on this new. And now let us take a screenshot from where we want to extract the text. Now just click on this option, text actions, just click on it. Now you can see here it will automatically extract all the text, and now you can see on the above copy all text, or you can quick redact, or if you click on this down arrow icon you can see here emails or phone numbers. So we're gonna copy all the text and just open the notepad and just paste it here. So you can see we have extracted all the text. And if you want to copy a particular text, then just select the respective text and just right mouse click on it, and you can just select the particular text or word by clicking on this copy text. And if you have already a image file, then what you can do is just open back the snipping tool and just drag the image file on it. And now you can apply the same process just by clicking on this text action, and it will automatically detect all the text present inside this image file, and you can just copy all text, or you can select the particular text in order to extract the respective words from this respective image file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily extract text or words from any image file without using any third-party software in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.